welcome to another exciting episode of Roller Coaster C/D. Today we're going on the Skyborne, really high up. Should be a fun. We are on the Skyborne. We are going to elevate on this slow motion drop tower. See the Napuko coaster up there. Oh yeah, here we go, up this. Oh, I see another ride over there. We're elevating on this slow motion. Whoa! Oh God. This is really high. Holy moly, not Oh boy. Alright. Alright. Holy Mary, Mother of God, the force is with you, all be one! Here we go. Oh, yeah. Whoa! Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh God. Well, here we are. That was a great ride out of the Skyborne. Going back down for the moment. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching and listening. I hope to see you right back here in the very near future.